Hi guys, you're welcome to Genius Ideas. I want to quickly show you how to view your SQLite database in your VS Code, how to view the content of the database. You can do that in VS Code directly. So what you do is to come to the extensions marketplace, then you look for SQLite. So it will give you some options. Now you have you most likely this will be the one that will be at the first place over here. But just note that it is SQLite Viewer you are installing, not this SQLite. I prefer this one, particularly because of the better ratings. Okay, it has 1.9 million installs and it has better ratings than this one. So I think I'll go with this one. So this is what it looks like. All you have to do is just to click install over here. I have installed it already, so I'll just move on. This is a plug and play extension. Actually, immediately you install it, the next thing you have to do is just to go and view the file. This is it over here. I have three database files over here. Come to Northwind Small SQLite. It will open it. You can see the database content over here. You see the category table. You see the customers table, you see everything, you see the database, everything basically. Then you see the others table as well. It will open everything for you inside VS Code without you having to go out. You also have this other database over here. This is .db, you can see. So employees, you see, then you have the last one over here. It works just fine. This extension works for you to open your SQLite database, to open the content, to view it inside VS Code. So this is all you have to do. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.